It's Gayla again. I'm out here at this cemetery where I come before, but I come with some light this time. And already we're hearing things. And we're seeing things. And what is that right there?
Oh, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
Oh, hey guys, it's me, Hunter, by the way, behind the camera.
Oh, wait.
Mom, what is that over there?
I don't know.
You see it?
Yeah,
It's a shadow of a person.
yeah.
Wait, keep it right there.
I just saw that some bitch walk over the graves a while ago. He's in the back now.
Holy.
I'm telling you, there's a ghost.
Everyone, this is Bird Nest, the one that we came here, the one that you...
That light scared
There's my
whatever it
little
was.
brother right there.
Move.
Okay.
I'm scared to walk over there now, bro.
Why?
Because, man, I don't know what the hell that was.
Okay. It was a spirit, a shadow person. It ain't gonna hurt you.
Yeah, I know that, Mom.
Hey, Momo, can I go check out what's over there? Can I check out what's over there?
He was walking among
What
the
is it?
graves.
If y'all guys don't know what it is, then
I hear something twigging and breaking around. Did you hear that?
No.
Like something, like somebody stepping on some.
Now that cross over there wasn't there.
No, I'm talking about. I hear some twigs breaking around us.
So, yes, because I heard a twig earlier.
Look, there's. Oh, I heard it. It's behind us.
What the hell? Somebody's walking on something over there.
No, it ain't. I heard that.
Come on, there's something over there in the weeds. I'm telling you.
Wait, let me. Marco!
No, don't do that.
What's that? What'd you say that for?
Call what they think.
Is there any spirits around here?
I don't think it wants to come around us because we got these crystals on, bro.
Is there any spirits around here? Around us?
Because it's drained. They're draining.
You have to.
They're gonna do that to you.
You have to feel me, Hunter. What are you doing?
Don't be nervous.
They are. Get back from me. Why is everybody nervous?
I just saw a ghost.
That's why we're here for, to get evidence.
Let me.
Is there anybody here?
Check that thing. Oh, let me zoom in the camera.
Oh, shoot. Is there any spirits here? Look at the moon, everybody. How pretty.
It's bright and it's full.
Who is that over there? Is that a spirit? Because I saw you.
Hey, you want me to go check over there and see? You want me to go walk over there and see what y'all are looking at and see?
Oh, Lord, that gives me the chills.
Can I go check it out?
Is there any spirits here?
Hey, can I go check
around us?
You want me to go check it out over there?
Yep. Okay. Where are you at? Huh? Where are you at? Come talk to me. Hunter, you're too far. Don't get right up on me. Stand back. Yeah.
It has to be real. So the mic has to hear you.
I've just seen a shadow. Come talk to me. Come on.
They out there on the outside of that gate, huh?
Yeah, come talk to me.
We're surrounded by fucking ghosts right now, bro. I bet you. Please work crystal. Save your ashes here.
Or is
I'm huddling my booty hole right
Why
here.
are you scared for? You thought you gotta get back from us.
No, I hear twigs snapping, bro.
Look, I want to tell you. Listen, Momo.
I just saw.
What is that?
Turn.
Hunter? What is it?
I don't know. I just saw something.
Come talk to me.
Oh, I'm getting goosebumps. I'm getting goosebumps.
Don't be scared.
No, I just saw a freaking head peeked out.
Well, they in here. They got.
Yeah, fucking.
They got spirits here, and they. You want to talk to me?
They're hiding from us. That's what it is. They're all around us up there.
Oh, my anxiety's kicking in.
Calm down, calm down.
Do you hear anything?
I don't want to fucking walk up on me though.
That's why I'm trying to lie around you, Shane.
I know that, Roger.
One right over there.
Is it night? Is it evening?
Mama, this place is full of ghosts.
Do not touch me.
Do not. Do not either on me.
Me
It's full of ghosts, bro.
Roger, shine the light over there.
You don't have the right.
Well, we're surrounded by them hoes. It's all right though.
It cannot be like that.
As long as I got this crystal, do not touch me.
Do you hear anything else?
I gotta go. Come on. Look, I gotta let you go. I gotta come back. I gotta go to something here.
You're not wearing anything.
Yeah, I gotta go. Bye, y'all.
Stay here and
We're
don't
not-
come
wait.
with us.
And you
Yes,
cannot
here,
follow
come
me.
with us.
Stay here and don't come with us.
That's right.
Lord Savior.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. I'm sorry, but we had to get out of here because we kept on hearing twigs are snapping and a bunch of other stuff. Swear to God, I just heard a fucking running sound. Screw the freaking thing. I'm out. I'm sorry for swearing, but I swear to God, I heard running sounds over there. Guys, I don't know what to say this, but we had to quit making this video.
Oh, I see eyes. I see eyes.
Huh?
I see white eyes. I see white eyes.
I gotta get out of here.
Right, we had to get out of here. You tripped over.
Close this gate.
Let's close the gate. Jesus freaking Christ. I told you I don't like bird nests. I told you I don't like bird nests, Mama. I told you I do not like bird nests.
We were surrounded by ghosts. We were fucking surrounded by ghosts. That's why we're all leaving. We're all weak.
Yeah, they touched me.
They touched Mama on the back and everything.
Okay, viewers, we're leaving.
The fucking graveyard was circling us. They were circling us, bro.
Let's get our
I
booty.
saw one. I saw a shadow person. As soon as
I
you
am
walked in
not
there.
coming back here, Beanie. I'm not
That
coming
place is full of fucking ghosts, bro.
Sorry,
Full.
viewers, don't listen to
back.
me.
You can put that on there. I'm gonna tell them.
Yes,
Look, Hunter's fucking tripping.
we had to get out of here because I heard running sounds in the grass behind me.
Are you filming that?
Yes, I hear running sounds. I hear someone running behind me.
I heard a twig snap.
I heard fucking twigs snap all the way around us. That's why I said they were circling us. They weren't talking to us.
I see flash of
Mama
white
talked
eyes.
to one of them.